Hello guys! Fenix has yet again sent me a new flashlight for reviewing. Let me put on the light. This is the new amazing TK05R. Look how cute it is. It's so cute because they have changed the battery from the big 18650 to the much smaller one. But still, it will be lighting for 4.5 hours. This is the battery that are used here. It is 1100 milliampere. I don't know the number of this battery. What is it called? It is called 18350. It should be reading here somewhere. But this is cute and still very powerful. The standard gold spring inside here, which you can see, of course, in this one, but there are. And has USB charging port, USB-C charging port, O-ring for waterproofness. This is an astonishing IP68 rating, which means you can drop it in 2 meters depth. And you don't have to put this cover on because this the USB port is treated with something, so it is waterproof by itself. But it's always a good idea to keep the cap on, but it's still waterproof down to, I think it's 2 meter, IP68. Has 2 buttons. If we go tricky to them, if you touch this little one, you get an instant strobe, which is very annoying. And if you press and hold it, well, it's changing. Different patterns. Yeah. Yes, it does. The big one, you can short tap it and it will light up. This one also has this memory function, which is the last settings to remember. This is the lowest one, so if you press it and set it to the highest and close it and then tap it again, it will come with the highest setting. On and put it on the lowest one. There we go, and off and on, and it will come with the lowest. Touch it, it will come on. If you press it and hold this tiny button again, you will go to flashing mode, and this will stay on. You don't need to hold it. And just press it one more time, and it will go off. Very easy to use, very easy to use. Osram LED chip, 50,000 hours lifespan, it is called, lifespan. It has 3 settings, which is 1000 lumen for the highest one. And you have 350 lumen, and then you have 30 lumen. That was the wrong. 30 lumen, 350, and 1000 lumen. How nice is that? Beam length, 450 meters on the highest lumen. Let's see what's inside the box. Because you get some goodies as usual. You get this very nice USB-C with a nice Fenix logo on it. You have a lanyard, which you can adjust. So you can lock it to your arm. Also nice quality. You have a nice pouch, I think, holster, which is made from nylon, with a nice Fenix logo on it. The torch only fits one way inside here. You have to, because it's a little tight, because it's brand new. And let's see, there we go. And you get it almost down to the bottom, and only this cap on top. Then you can close it. Holster has 2 fasteners. Yeah. This is a loop on top here, small one, and you have this for the belt. You cannot open this one, so you have to take off the belt. But then again, you won't lose it. Spare O-ring for the battery compartment. And the usual manual and warranty card. Charging indicator, if you short press, when you, let me see here, short press it, you will get, this one is red. It will blink red if it's critical low, and it will be green when it's fully charged. The charging speed, let's test that one. And let's see, this is the one, oh, goes up to 7 watts. That is nice. This is really a fast charging, I like that. Okay, that was the charging. Then let's test this one in the dark room as well. See how the beam pattern look or something. Okay, pitch black. Here we go, first step. And then we can touch the little button. And this is step 2. I think it was 300 lumens. And this is the maximum. Very nice and round pattern. Looks amazingly nice. And then the strobe, as usual, very annoying. And it has 2 patterns. Oh. This is the Fenix TK05R. Let's see how that works. This is with the lowest setting, medium setting, and highest setting. That is amazing, eh? Look at that, guys. Fantastic. Okay, and the strobe. Annoying, eh? I just want to say thank you to TK Astro, which are sponsoring this video and also have sent me all these flashlights and lanterns. They also have a lot of other things in their shop, so I will recommend you to check it out. I have provided links for it, yeah, the usual places, down in the description and up in the corner, so you can click and see. They have binoculars, scopes for hunting rifles and so on. Even star, what do you call it? Star, kikkert. Ja, det får vi ta og si, ja. Star binoculars, I think it's called. Okay guys, there you have it. The new and very cute, but still powerful TK05R. 14.5 hours of light, even with a tiny battery. Very nice indeed. I can highly recommend this one. I already love it. Okay guys, hope to see you next one. Goodbye.